Hello everybody, Swarups here. Welcome to Mathematics, where maths becomes easy, interesting and fun. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you an important and an interesting property of number 9. So let's get started. Well, this property is very useful, especially to check whether a given addition, a given sum is correct or not. So let's see an example. Let's take a few numbers. 256, 3 to 5, maybe 4 to 9. So let's add this up. I'm just directly writing the answer because it's not of importance to us. So well, the main property I want to show you now is this. We got this, but what is the guarantee that this answer we got is correct? So to check that, well, the first and a basic method would be to do the addition, which is okay in this case, but it gets very time consuming, especially when the number of numbers you have to add is too many. So now I'll show you an easy method to check the answer. So in these numbers which you are adding, cancel all the numbers which sum up to 9. So you can directly take out the 9, so cut it, and now you can take out this 5 and 4 because 5 plus 4 is 9, and similarly you can take out 6 and 3 because both of them add up to 9, and in the same way you can take 5 plus 2 plus 2, so all of these 3 add up to 4. So the only part left out is this 2, so write it here, and now add all these as well. So 1 plus 1 would be 2. So if both of these numbers match, then the answer you got is correct. Otherwise you can do that again. So it's as simple as that. Now I'll show you this method with another example this time. More numbers this time, say 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1 5 4 2 6, maybe 1 8 5 7. Well, I'm directly writing the answer. I have calculated it already. Now do the same procedure again. We have 8 and 1, so 8 plus 1 9, so take them out. 5 and 4 9, so take them out. 7 and 2 9, cancel them, and 5 here with the 4 here, gone, and 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 2 9, so take them out as well, and we are left out with 6 plus 3 as well, 9. So we have a 1 plus 2 plus 1 left, so which is 4. 1 2 and 1 here, so 4. Now in the same way, cancel all the numbers that add up to 9 as well. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, so we have 13. Now add these as well. 1 plus 3 would be 4. So we have both of them same again. This addition, whatever is done, is correct. So that is how we verify the validity of a sum. Now there is another interesting property with the same, another application with the same property. You can check whether you have mistook a number for something else. Let me show you what I mean. Because a lot of times we get the numbers from somebody else and we take them wrongly. So maybe let's see these two set of numbers. Well, the first number is same, the second number is same, but if you verify the third number, the digits 3 and 5 are flipped, and we got, as we can expect, different answers. Now the property I want to mention is, most of the times when we are noting down the numbers, maybe some of our friends are telling some numbers and we are writing them down, it's a common mistake that we interchange the numbers. Let's assume this is the actual number, whatever it has to be, and someone mistook the numbers as this. So 135 was taken as 153 and we got the error, obviously, right? So how do we know that if there is a digit swapped? Well, if you take the difference of these two numbers you have got here, so I mean 1116 minus 1098, well, it gives 18. So if the difference of these two numbers, that is in this case 18, is a multiple of 9, 9 2s are 18, so then you can be sure that one of the digits is swapped, I mean two of the digits are swapped. So that's a very easy way to check if you have any errors. This will be very useful in case of banking maybe, or accounting, or even for simple additions and subtractions. So there you go, that's how the trick works, and hope you guys have enjoyed this. You use it in daily day-to-day applications and you will appreciate this even more then. So see you, bye bye.